Boy, wifey. Babes, you not call me for a morning.
Me not call you for a morning, nothing to tell you.
Babes, me text you and answer, babes. You can't trick me now.
Are you a trick me?
I joke me, man. Tell the people so they... I see that, eh?
Yeah. Say hi, Thompson.
Babes, what babes?
Oh. Let me take my earpods out.
Take your earpods out. That people... See me other wife there. Hello, one babes.
Hold on, wait. Me take out the earpods, wait.
People, I'm my wife. These are people who married. She helped me get... I'm my wife. She helped me get my green... She helped me get relationship. Green... She have me love of my life. She have me love of my life. Isn't it?
You have to talk English. You don't understand what you say.
I hear what you saying. Somebody want something about the green card.
No, babe. I never said anything about green card. They're lying on me. No, I love you for who you is, not no green card. They're lying on me. I never say anything about any green card. All I said, I love you. It's just that they were voice noting in the background and it says something about green card. But really and truly, it's not about green card. It's about the love. You know what I mean? So don't let anyone tell you that I don't love you. I really love you in real life. Okay? I don't really know how to talk proper English because I was born in Africa. Okay?
Africa, you say you like black man. Tall, big, strong black man in there.
This is the route.
Yeah. But I girl, I see tell me say a girl.
Alright, here, right here, this is my
Believe me, man.